Hey guys, I am going to show you what to do if you did what we did, which was plant the seedlings super early, and now they're starting to run out of a bit of space in those toilet roll holders. You can kind of tell that the roots get really bound up at the bottom. We've still got another 2 weeks before we want to put these pumpkins in the ground, so I'm going to show you how you can really easily repot them so they can still get some nutrients and grow a little bit bigger before you put them in the ground. So I've taken a pot about this size. Why? Because when I put the toilet rolls in, I want them to fit neatly into the actual container. I'll probably do 2, maybe 3, but I think I'll probably just do 2 of these pumpkins in one of these, and that way when I want to plant them, I can literally just take them out, pull them apart, because the toilet rolls will probably still be slightly intact, and put them in the ground. So I've got about this much soil in there, you can see. I'm going to take some of it out. So I'm just covering just the bottom. I'm going to take the elastic band and the tape off. And you can see how easily they come apart. So I just put it at the bottom so it's relatively easy. And I'm going to take some of the stronger ones. So just gently pull apart the roots. You can see how cool that is. It just kind of stays together. So I think 2 in this pot's going to be pretty good. So I've sat them down in there. The roots are kind of tickled already and pulled apart. So I'm sitting them in there. They got a little bit of space between each other. You want them to sit just below the surface of the pot so that you can cover it over with soil. It's a bit better. And now I'm going to take that excess soil and I'm going to start pouring it on top. So what you do is you make sure you give the pot a bit of a shake so that you can get the soil further down each time. And we're going to add a little bit more. Again, give it a shake. So you can see by popping it on the table and banging it, I've actually gotten and shaked all the soil into those little holes, but without packing it down, because you don't want to pack the soil down. If you pack the soil down, what happens is the roots can't easily grow through the soil. So, all done. Repotted. I'm going to give that a couple of weeks and then we'll plant it in the garden.